If you use Facebook, you need to watch this video. Those settings can help protect your account. In this video, I will show you step by step the most important Facebook privacy and security settings that can help you keep your account more secure. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three line in the tab right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy and then open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Here, make sure your password is strong and updated. A strong password helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Now in the same section, find two-factor authentication and turn it on. This adds an extra verification step. When someone tries to log into your account, it's one of the most important security features. Next, tap on Login Alert and turn it on. Now, whenever your account is accessed from a new device or location, you will get notification. Now, go back and tap on where you are logged in. Here you can see all devices where your Facebook account is currently active. If you see anything unfamiliar, log out from that device immediately. Now go back and settings and open privacy checkup. Facebook will guide you step by step to control who can see your post, who can send you friend request, and who can find you on Facebook. Next, open profile and tagging set. Turn on review option for tag and post. This means you can approve what appears on your profile before it become public. Now open apps and website settings. Here you will see apps connected to your Facebook account. Remove any apps you no longer use. This helps reduce unnecessary data access. By enabling those settings, you can make your Facebook account more secure and private. Save this video so you can check this setting later. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more privacy and security guides. This video is for educational and awareness purpose only. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Thank you.